Welcome to JH. SpookSociety.com is an online store that claims to sell Halloween costumes and spooky masks for the whole family. Sounds like a scream, right? But before you grab your wallet, we have to ask, is this site actually legit, or is it just another digital trick-or-treat where you're the one getting tricked? Stick around, because what we found is scarier than the masks they're supposedly selling. Because nothing says trustworthy like a shop that popped up 5 minutes ago, we started by checking the registration details. The site was created only in October 2024, making it a brand new player with absolutely no history. New websites like this are basically the shady van with free candy of the internet. They appear out of nowhere, take your money, and vanish into the night. To make matters worse, they're already pushing a massive 50% off sale that conveniently expires today only. It's a classic pressure tactic designed to make you panic buy before your brain has a chance to realize you're being played. If a deal looks this good, it's usually because the product is about as real as a vampire's reflection. When we looked at their product images, we found they were shamelessly copied from other online stores. Real businesses usually take their own photos, but apparently, these guys were too busy curating other people's hard work to bother with a camera. The red flags keep waving when you look at their contact information. They offer an email address and absolutely nothing else. No phone number, no live chat, and no physical address. If your order goes missing, I'm sure their non-existent customer service team will get right on that after their next seance. As for the reviews, their own website is a 5-star paradise where every customer is allegedly overjoyed. However, a quick trip to Trustpilot reveals a total ghost town with zero feedback. It's almost like those glowing testimonials were written by the same person who borrowed the product photos. So is SpookSociety.com legit? Between the brand new domain, the fake urgency, stolen images, and a complete lack of real-world accountability, this site is a giant red flag wearing a cheap sheet. You're much better off shopping somewhere that actually exists in this dimension. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on how to spot an online scam. Stay smart, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.